let us focus on the maxillary division of the trigeminal nerve, which is becoming cutaneous here. Now, here you have the zygomaticotemporal, zygomaticofacial, and infraorbital nerve. The zygomaticotemporal, as the name implies, goes towards the temporal bone above. Zygomaticofacial, from the zygomatic bone, it goes towards the face in front, and infraorbital nerve supplies the lower eyelid, lateral nasal, the lateral part of the nose, upper lip, and the cheek. Now, I just wanted to tell you how these three nerves becomes cutaneous. Now, this is the lateral view of the skull where the zygomatic bone is cut and the maxilla is the pterygomaxillary fossa is exposed. Now you can see the maxillary nerve entering into the pterygomaxillary fossa, traveling forwards and entering the orbit through inferior orbital foramen, cruising through the lower surface of the orbit and coming out of the infraorbital nerve. Now you can see the branches going up to the lateral aspect of the nose, down to the upper lip and other cheek, etc. Now one more nerve, you can see the zygomatic nerve, which is piercing the foramen and becoming zygomaticofacial, which goes forwards to the face, and zygomaticotemporal, which goes up. So this is the innervation of the facial innervation or the cutaneous innervation of the maxillary nerve in the face. Thank you.